Good morning, folks. It's Bill from One Betty Bill, and today we're going to do some quick and easy cooking for the grandkids. Savannah and Sabrina's here. Savannah came up with the idea. Pancakes. I love pancakes. Last time we went to McDonald's, they screwed up the order 1 out of 3 times. They're supposed to get hash browns with her pancakes and sausage. Paid for it, got home, and no hash browns, of course. So we do our own hash browns. I do them in the air fryer, do the sausage on the stove, breakfast sausage. I boil for 15 minutes, and then I run cool water over the sausage, and I take the skins off, because she won't eat the skins. So I take the casing off the sausage, and then I fry them in the pan, just a little bit of oil, and she loves them that way. Today she asked for pancakes. So I got the good old Bisquick out, quick and easy, pancakes and baking mix. Pancakes and baking mix. Recipe on the side for biscuits. Silly me, my age, I grabbed a box and I did up the recipe for biscuits, thinking I was doing the pancake one. And right away, when I started stirring, I knew it was too thick, so I looked at the back of the box, and there it was. Bisquick, 2 cups, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs. So I went ahead, added what I needed for the pancake mix. Now she says, I want chocolate chip. I told her, you want chocolate chip pancakes, Oreo pancakes, strawberry pancakes, what would you? She says, I want chocolate chip. And banana works this way too. So we went ahead and made a mix, just like it says here, 2 cups mix, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, stirred it up. And it's sitting ready. It's ready there. Also have the Oreo cookies and the chocolate chip cookies ready. So all you do, heat your pan, put the pan on, heat it up, put a little butter in the pan, and this works well with, put it on a medium heat. I've already made her one. And so I thought, well, we'll go ahead and just share with you all how to make them. A little too much butter, we'll get rid of that. So now all you do, take your mix, scoop some in the pan, like you're making a 4 or 5 inch, 6 inch pancake. Now take your chocolate chip cookie and just set it in the middle of the dough. Now you take your batter, your pancake mix, and put a spoon or 2 over the top. And instead of the chocolate chip cookie, you can use, of course, the Oreo cookie, or you could slice a banana and put a slice or 2 of banana, and then put a spoon or 2 of batter over it. So now all you do, let her cook up. I like to put a lid on mine. Most people don't. My wife's always telling me, put a lid on it, Bill. Put a lid on it. Just joking. So we're letting that pancake, it'll just take about 2 minutes before we flip it, depending on how well you like your pancakes. Take the lid off, we'll show you how to tell when to flip it. Basically when all the air bubbles come up to the top. then you want to flip it. But great idea Savannah had. She says, hey, Papa, make me a chocolate chip pancake. But use the chocolate chip cookies. They love this soft batch chocolate chip cookies when they come over for the weekends. And they do cookies and milk just about every night. Friday night this was full. Get it from our local grocery. And Sunday morning now, before they leave tonight, they'll be gone. We'll probably use them up with the rest of the family for the pancakes. Quick and easy. If the kids like something a little sweeter, go ahead and add a little bit of sugar to your batter. Of course, if your wife's diabetic, like mine, you don't want to do that. And then I love sugar highs. I put sugar on everything. So. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes now. We're going to go ahead and flip the pancake. You can see how it's battered up. Actually, I did it a little too long. That one will be mine. Girls don't like them quite that brown. So I'll add a little butter to that. Soften it up and golden it up. Now turn your heat off. And that baby's done. Let me find a plate to put her on. Only takes a few seconds. And there you have it. Quick and easy. Chocolate chip pancake. Thanks for watching. One Betty Bill. Happy eating. Okay, the pancake cooled down for a little bit. I thought I'd show you this. We're going to go ahead and cut that baby. Yeah, it could have cooled a little bit more. There you have it. The chocolate chip in the center of the pancake. Quick and easy. Quick and easy chocolate chip. Good. Still has to cool a little bit more. Like I say, you can do that with any flavor cookie you like. Bananas is a real treat. Get your potassium in there and enjoy your day. Thank you again for watching One Betty Bill.